Hello, today we are solving October 2021 paper question number 6 part A. State 3 advantages of keeping a full set of books of account. Okay, what is the advantage if Yusuf is going to maintain a complete set of accounting books? Okay, then it means you'll be able to understand the outstanding total of the trade payables and receivables. Okay, now at the beginning he is having he needs to maintain, this is not going to get affected at the beginning, but later on as it gets more and more, okay, as the number of year passes, he will not be able to understand what will be the trade payables and receivables he will have to, and he will have to use in the business. Okay, so this for this information, to understand the total outstanding of whatever the trade payables and receivables are, have to be retrieved by the business or have to be paid by the business, can only be understood if you are maintaining an accounting book. Then establish expenditure to control the cost, so you will be able to understand how much of cost I have to control so that I can make a profit. You can also prepare financial statements at regular intervals properly, accurately. Okay, you can only prepare if you have a good set of accounting books, otherwise it will become it might lead to inaccuracies. Okay, you will be able to prepare accurate financial statements at regular intervals to understand whether your assets and liabilities are balanced. Now, the part C, 6 part C, evaluate the possible use by use of information and communication technology. ICT can be used in maintaining his accounting records. So here we can see what are the positive points for using ICT. If I use ICT, okay, it means I will be able to do an automatic entry, okay, of the books. The processing speed is also will become very fast, because I'll be able to add, subtract and do things very faster. It can reduce any chances of mathematical errors. Then you can also provide some password, okay, and restrict people from seeing your accounting books, okay, which can be opened and seen by anybody. So in computer you can put a password and allow only some people to see your accounting records. Then also it can process large volume of information it within a small space of computer, so I need not have lot of books. Okay, and single entry errors can be eliminated because it can enable a automatic double entry, okay, which is provided by some software programs, so that the second entry is posted on the correct side, okay, so that it avoids any double entry errors. Then negative points for using ICT, but however it will involve some cost of purchasing the hardware and software, and also you have to keep updating, okay, keep up to date software. Then you have to train your staff to understand, okay, even the accountants have to learn how to use accounting on you when they are typing it on the computer. So this might involve some cost of training and it can incur some time for them to learn. Then there could be a computer crash and your entire data might be gone. Okay, so unless you have a spare storage, so there could be loss of data also even with the computer. Then it can affect the staff morale sometimes, okay, because the working gets faster, you will need lesser staff. So it is also there are chances of having less staff in the business, so it affects their moral or motivation. So in conclusion, ICT is going to help Yusuf in maintaining his accounting records. So in the future, as it gets bigger and bigger business, you can't write in some normal notebooks to maintain the accounting books. Only if it's a very small business like a store, it is easier for them to maintain on a book. But as it gets bigger and bigger, okay, business, then it's better to maintain